Welcome back to the channel Auto Land. Today, we're diving into a true legend of Indian roads, our 2025 hero, the Honda Splendor NXG. A name that's been etched in the hearts of commuters and enthusiasts alike, the Splendor series continues to stand tall as a symbol of reliability, efficiency, and timeless design. In this video, we'll explore what makes the 2025 Honda Splendor NXG a standout in the two-wheeler market, its performance, features, styling, and why it's still a top choice for daily riders. Let's start with the design. The 2025 model stays true to the Splendor legacy with its simplistic, no-nonsense look but comes with subtle updates to keep it in tune with modern tastes. The body panels are sleeker, and the paint finishes are more premium than before. You'll notice sharp graphics on the fuel tank and side panels that add a touch of flair without going overboard. It's a bike that appeals to both younger riders looking for value and older users who swear by dependability. The upright seating position, comfortable seat cushion, and ergonomic handlebars ensure that comfort is always at the forefront, especially for those long city commutes or rural journeys. Under the hood, or more appropriately, under the tank, you'll find the heart of the Splendor NXG, a tried and tested 97.2cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. Now refined with Honda's latest Honda Eco technology, this engine delivers outstanding fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical bikes in its class. It produces around 8 horsepower, which might not seem like much on paper, but on the road, it translates to smooth acceleration and steady cruising speeds ideal for urban traffic. The 4-speed constant mesh gearbox is slick and easy to operate, adding to the hassle-free riding experience. Fuel efficiency has always been the hallmark of the Splendor line, and the 2025 NXG is no exception. Riders can expect a mileage of up to 70 to 75 km/h under normal riding conditions, making it one of the most budget-friendly options for daily travel. The fuel tank holds around 11 liters, which gives you an impressive range before the next refill, perfect for those who want to ride more and stop less. Coming to the suspension setup, the front telescopic forks and rear hydraulic shock absorbers ensure a comfortable ride over potholes, bumps, and rough patches. Whether you're riding solo or with a pillion, the suspension does a great job of soaking up the imperfections of Indian roads. The bike's lightweight chassis and compact dimensions also make it incredibly nimble and easy to handle in tight spaces or heavy traffic. When it comes to safety and convenience, the 2025 model includes drum brakes on both wheels, supported by Honda's combined braking system (CBS), which enhances braking stability, especially useful for newer riders or emergency situations. The alloy wheels are now standard, offering both strength and visual appeal. The instrument cluster is a mix of analog and digital elements, providing essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip meter in a clean, easy-to-read format. Another area where the Splendor NXG shines is low maintenance. Honda's engineering ensures the bike runs smoothly with minimal upkeep. Spare parts are readily available across India, and service centers are abundant, which means owning a Splendor is not just about buying a bike, it's about joining a community that trusts the brand and its commitment to quality. In terms of pricing, the Honda Splendor NXG 2025 edition remains highly competitive. It's targeted at the budget-conscious buyer who doesn't want to compromise on reliability or efficiency. With several color options to choose from and variants that offer kickstart or self-start, buyers can pick a model that fits their exact needs. The 2025 Honda Splendor NXG is not just a motorcycle, it's a companion built for India's roads. Whether you're a college student, a daily office commuter, a delivery executive, or even a rural user who needs a solid machine for everyday travel, this bike covers all bases. It may not boast cutting-edge tech or flashy features, but what it offers is something far more important: trust. A trust built over decades, powered by consistent performance and unmatched value. So, if you're on the lookout for a dependable commuter that gives you excellent mileage, easy handling, and a trouble-free ownership experience, the Honda Splendor NXG 2025 deserves a serious look. It's proof that some classics never fade, they just get better with time. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoland for more updates on your favorite bikes and cars. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.